and welcome to Baxter's Algebra 1, Section 1, Learning Management System. You can see here I have all the folders laid out from general information, getting started, parents folders, all the lessons, and finally a post-assessment. Let's take a look and see what I got wrapped up in here. We have general information, Baxter's bio, picture of myself, a little bit of information about myself and how to get in contact with me. Three different ways. We can go to the cyber rules. Right here, here's the rules of the learning management system. We come back and we have a course syllabus. Click on that. Come on. Google Docs. And here's the course syllabus, the website, my email address, the textbook we're going to use with an ISBN number if you have to order it, a unit summary, all the standards we will be covering, and what's expected out of each lesson. So this is everything that the student needs to do. Here are the objective columns and the readings and resources. And I got that covered all the way down to lesson 5. The assessment and evaluation. They'll be post-assessed after completing the unit. Since my class is GED, it's usually pass or fail on whether or not you're able to take the GED. You need to reach a certain score of at least a 145 or better on the material that I have used. And let's take a look at some of the lessons. Come back in here and go back. We have the Parents folder, Parents Guide to Schoology, Video Instructions, Parents Resources for Schoology, Tricks to Schoology, and Baxter's Classroom and Cyber Rules. I put that in 2 spots, so parents also have access to this, and there are links they can go. Some of them are like a PDF file. Others are YouTube video instructions to walk them through step by step on how to use Schoology. We have a unit description. Tells us what's in the unit, what we'll be covering. You can find the Common Core State Standards on the syllabus. And we come down to lesson 1 assignments. We have the week 1 assignments. So here's everything that you will need to complete in the week 1 or the first lesson. I'm planning on it only taking a week. Could go over a little bit. This is the stuff that we'll probably take care of in class, in the face-to-face instruction, other parts where you're posting on Twitter and doing screencasts. That stuff can be done at home. We got the week 1 resources, how to set up a Twitter account, TweetDeck, Screencast-O-Matic sign up, how to use it, adding and subtracting integers, Baxter's adding and subtracting integers lesson. That's a lesson that I actually did and posted on YouTube. And all these are the different resources that you can use to complete the week's lessons. Each week is set up this way. If we go to week 2, we have week 2 assignments, week 2 resources, and every week has a week quiz. In this case, here's the quiz for week 2. Short answer, short answer, short answer. Okay. Then you go through each week's resources and we come down to a post-assessment. And the unit post-assessment, you click on that and you have your post-assessment and all the questions. So this would be a unit that I would cover normally out of a textbook, but since we now are learning how to use these learning management systems, this would be much more effective because the students can do this at home anytime, anywhere, as long as they have connection to the internet and a device that they can bring this up. Hope you enjoyed my presentation on my learning management system, Baxter's Algebra 1, Section 1. Thank you.